Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting immediate intent and supplying the minimum context the engine needs. Log in and grant permissions, then paste or type 1-3 context items so results are focused. Once done, craft a concise prompt. State the goal, add constraints, and request format. Use transition words to connect parts of your query so the model understands flow. This speeds retrieval and reduces vague answers. Therefore, you get actionable output instead of generic summaries. Once initial results appear, refine them by asking targeted follow-ups and giving examples. This guides the engine toward useful details. Make sure to request a specific format, bullet list, code snippet, or short summary, so you avoid extra noise. If accuracy matters, apply filters like date or source type and ask the model to cite evidence or explain its reasoning. This iterative approach narrows scope, improves relevance, and converts a broad reply into precise, actionable steps you can use immediately. You finish by validating key outputs and exporting the result in the format you need, then save the prompt for future use. If something looks off, simplify the prompt and rerun or add constraints that force precision, such as word limits, formats, or source requirements. Make sure to request step-by-step reasoning when answers seem uncertain. This reveals the model's assumptions. One troubleshooting tip: when results diverge, compare two different prompts to pinpoint where the misunderstanding began.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.